Imagine unlocking the secrets that top Amazon sellers use to maximize their profits. Secrets they don't want you to know. What if you could increase your earnings by simply tweaking your approach, following the exact strategies that have propelled others to the top of the e-commerce game? In this video, I'm going to share 7 insider tips that can revolutionize your Amazon business, helping you maximize your earnings like never before. Welcome to InfoX, where we dive deep into the world of tech mastery and e-commerce success. Today, we're revealing the strategies that the most successful Amazon sellers use but rarely talk about. These are the tips that can make the difference between struggling to make sales and consistently raking in profits. Tip number 1, focus on creating a strong brand presence. In a marketplace flooded with similar products, having a recognizable brand can be a game changer. It's not just about having a catchy logo or a fancy name. It's about building trust with your customers. A strong brand makes your products stand out and can even justify higher prices. To do this, invest in professional packaging, create a compelling brand story, and engage with your customers through social media and other channels. The second tip is all about mastering Amazon SEO. Just like Google, Amazon has its own search engine that determines which products show up at the top of search results. By optimizing your product titles, descriptions, bullet points, and back-end keywords, you can significantly improve your product's visibility. Remember to use relevant keywords that potential buyers are likely to search for, and make sure your content is easy to read and informative. Moving on to the third tip, leverage the power of high-quality images and videos. Visuals are crucial in online shopping since customers can't physically touch or see the product. Invest in professional photography and consider creating short videos that showcase your product's features and benefits. High-quality visuals not only attract more customers, but also help reduce return rates, as buyers will have a clearer idea of what they're purchasing. Tip number 4 is to utilize Amazon's enhanced brand content, EBC, or A+ content. This feature allows you to add more detailed information, images, and even videos to your product listings, giving you an edge over competitors who only use basic descriptions. EBC is especially useful for explaining complex products or telling your brand story in a way that resonates with potential buyers. It's a powerful tool to increase conversion rates and build brand loyalty. The fifth tip is to optimize your pricing strategy. Pricing can make or break your sales, especially in a competitive environment like Amazon. Instead of just lowering prices to compete, consider using psychological pricing strategies, such as setting prices just below a round number, like $9.99 instead of $10. Also, monitor your competitors regularly and adjust your prices based on demand and seasonality. Dynamic pricing tools can help you automate this process, ensuring you stay competitive without sacrificing profit margins. Next, let's talk about the importance of gathering and leveraging customer reviews, our 6th tip. Positive reviews are gold on Amazon. They build trust and influence purchasing decisions. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews by following up after the sale with a polite request. You can also use Amazon's Request a Review button or enroll in the Amazon Vine program if eligible. Respond to all reviews, both positive and negative, to show that you value customer feedback and are committed to providing excellent service. Finally, our 7th insider tip is to master Amazon's advertising tools. Pay-per-click, PPC ads, sponsored products, and sponsored brands can drive significant traffic to your listings, but only if used correctly. Start with automatic campaigns to gather data, then refine your strategy with manual campaigns targeting high-performing keywords. Regularly review your ad performance, adjust your bids, and experiment with different ad types to find what works best for your products. And there you have it. 7 insider tips that Amazon sellers don't want you to know. By implementing these strategies, you can boost your sales, increase your profit margins, and build a successful Amazon business that stands out from the competition. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to InfoX for more tips on e-commerce success and tech mastery. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.